Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the United Healthcare app. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you will just open your Google Play Store if you are an Android user. If you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. So here you have to go to the left search bar option and search for the app. So here we have the United Healthcare mobile app, as you can see here. So here we have United Healthcare services of the mobile app. Just click on install and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. If you scroll down, you can see the ratings of this app and you can see the other things as well. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.